Best Actor, Meme Vice Ganda! At ang nag-iisang bossing, Vic Soto! Eto na. Meron pa tayong isa pa!
This is it, Jervy!
The last announcement for this batch para po sa ating unang batch ng MF52 official film entries. And we have San Juan City Mayor Honorable Francis Zamora to announce the last entry.
Okay, so the last entry for this year's Metro Manila Film Long Tried to Bury. Can two sworn enemies set aside their differences before their obsession with winning, and can their desire to prove they're right cost them everything they've worked for? The Greatest Showdown is a comedy film top billed by Vic Soto and Vice Ganda as lead actors. June Robles Lana as director and scriptwriter.
Para samahan po tayo sa entablado, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin Metro Manila Film Festival 2025 Best Actor, Meme Vice Ganda! At ang nag-iisang bossing, Vic Soto! Congratulations po sa pelikulang The Greatest Showdown! Let's have our photo op first at bibigyan natin ng pagkakataon ng ating mga stars at Direk June Robles Lana to say something to our audience.
Tutulungan po namin ng buong team ng Greatest Showdown po yan. Maraming salamat po.
And bossing Vic Soto!
What's up, madlang people? Nasabi na lahat ni Vice eh. Kaya, ang totoo niya, ninenervous kami eh. Kanina, nag-uusap kami. Eh, pag di tayo natawag, nag-uusap na kami, magsha-shopping na lang.
Of MMFF 52 for our official photo op.
An official group photo to capture the first batch for this year's Metro Manila Film Festival. Congratulations to all the entries this year.
Meron po tayong Haunted Carnival, ang pelikulang Amir, Second Miracle in Cell Number 7, and The Greatest Showdown. Chairman Lana Soto, please join us on stage. And the MMFF Execom Committee, please join us.
Grabe, Jervy, we have the first 4 entries. Very exciting here in GH Mall. Let's capture this momentous occasion at excited ang lahat para sa 52nd Metro Manila Film Fest.
At sa mga susunod na buwan, abangan nyo po ang announcement natin ng series at mga special guests na nakasama ngayong hapon. Congratulations once again to the first 4 official film entries MMFF 52. We are just getting started. May 4 pa na kukumpleto sa listahan ng mga pelikulang dapat yung abangan sa Metro Manila Film Festival ngayong taon.
Tama ka, Jervy. We're just getting started because bigger and brighter surprises are coming your way for MMFF 52. Don't miss our exciting events as we prepare for the biggest celebration in Philippine cinema. Mark your calendars this Christmas. MMFF 52 will
ang MMFF. MMFF 52, a new era of Philippine cinema. to our first 4 official entries of Metro Manila Film Festival 52. Haunted Carnival, Second Miracle in cell number 7, Amir and the Greatest Showdown. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga host cities, Mandaluyong City, San Juan City, and Bacolod City. Kick-off at sa pagsuporta sa pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. God bless you and see you on the cinemas.